Hi guys, this is Papu Singh from Curino. Today I'm going to show you how to retrieve the database into your CardView in Android Studio. First of all, we are going to create something inside this database. First of all, this is my database name. Inside this database, I'll create some number, something like 998. Then I'll create the its value. Like for example, you can create title, and you can just keep any title. For example, my first post, and I can give one more as description. In description you can put, like for example, you can put anything. You can put anything like something. This is my description. Okay, for this image, whether you can upload your image inside your storage, or you can put your link from your Google or anything. So for now I'm going to search image from the Google so that I can put inside my database. Okay, for example, this image I'm going to put inside my database, and you just create the database. Now I want to retrieve this database into my Android project. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to my project, and I need to add some library function. So when you go to this build Gradle in module application, you need to add some library, this UI database, authentication, storage, and this database. And the main thing is the CardView and this RecycleView, because our database we are going to retrieve into CardView. So after that you need to click on that sync now, and it will start for this synchronization. Once it is done, we need to design our CardView. As long as we need to retrieve our database into CardView, and we need to make our UI beautiful. It will take some time. Once it is done, you are good to go. Okay. Now I'm going to this activity main, then I will create my RecycleView. This RecycleView, just make it match pattern, and you need to put some ID. Is like you can put what you can put, something my RecycleView. Once it is done, now we need to design CardView in different XML. So go to layout, get on layout resource file, and you can put any name. It's like block row. Okay, I'm going to do relative layout, press OK, then go to text, Now okay, let's make it okay. I'm sorry, this is CardView, right? Yeah, this one should be CardView, and so we need to do some modification right here. First of all, we need orientation. Wait, Android. Seriously, we need to get our orientation. Okay, Android orientation is vertical. Okay, and match parent, and it will be wrapped content, and we need app is card corner radius should be okay. You can make it 12 dp, and you just press on option, and you need to declare the name, and I need the elevation for 90 dp. Now we are going to create some linear layout. Just make it match parent, and just put height for 248 dp. You can see right here some card view which came. Now we need some orientation for linear layout, and just make okay. Let me make some background so that you can identify. So let me just put something right here, so make it black. Yeah, this one will be good, and I need some margin. Just margin is 10 dp. 10 dp is too much. Let's make it 7 dp. Okay, 7 dp is okay. Now I need one image view. It should be match parent 180 dp. 180 dp. Okay, and just make something scale type. Okay, if you make it for scale type, let's make it center crop, so that whenever you upload any photo it will crop center. And for example, if your resolution is above 720 or 1090, so it will crop and it will adjust with your card view, so that will be good. And just make it one ID, so the ID is something post image, right? Then I need one text view, and this one, and you just make it some ID is post title. Just make it some text is like post title. Text color is white. And we need our post description, so I am declaring the ID is post description. Just make it okay, color okay, just make it white. What will be the text is a post description. Okay, as long as we need to increase our size for post title, let's make it 20 dp is okay, right? And this one is default. Okay, now we need to initialize into this main activity. So this one is almost done. Okay, okay, that's it. Now we need something to add right here. So first of all, I need to declare RecycleView. This for m block list. I need to declare my database reference to get the data, and I need what else? Obviously I need those text view, and okay, I can declare that things later. First of all, we need to get the data first. For that one, just declare the firebase database, and then get stance, get reference from which child. We need to from this global, right? Just declare global, and we need to keep seeing those database, because whenever you open your application, so it will sync automatically, no need to load again and again. And m block, sorry, now you need to declare our RecycleView. Find view id is like my RecycleView. Now m block list dot, we need to fix the size, and we need to get the layout manager. Layout manager declaration, and do this, and this is the basic one. Now is the main thing for the on start. So for every application we'll get one on start. For this one, we need to get our class. For example, we have declared this value, this child. In this child we'll go get this value name. So for this value we need one class, so that we can get the string into that class, and we just retrieve those class into that text view, because we have declared image view to text view. So this two description, one description title will go to that post title, and post description and image will go to that image part. So let's create this class file, and just name is like, for example, you can just make it block, because this is for like get those class. So what we are going to do is, we need how many string? One is for title, and make sure this name should same as your database name, I mean your child name, those things, this. So make sure, otherwise it will not come to your view. So just make sure that one. And the description for my string is image. Now just this one, right? So I need to go, actually just press Command N. For Windows user you can press Control and N, so you will get getter and setter. Just select all, it will set everything. One again press right here, and you need constructor. So my job is done for my class. Now I need to initialize into my onStart method. So what I'm going to do is I am going to declare my firebase recycler adapter, and my class name is block. I need to get from block, and I will create one method. Like you can create one method block. Okay, block view holder is, come on. Now you need to create the class for, okay, we can create you can create after some time, and I need to create the name, the same thing. Yeah, it will create automatically. Yeah, so what I'm going to initialize into this block view holder, right? In this block view holder I need to declare this. Okay, let me get this one right here so that you can see. So block, I need to get the block, this class. So in this class, what I'm going to initialize into my XML layout is block row, right? And this block view holder dot class and our database name, right? Now what I'm going to do, this one first start. So just create that public static that class, because we need to create this block view holder class, because this class it will appear, I mean for that one is for getting string from that database, and this class is for initialize into your text view, I mean get text and set text. Okay, that's thing. Now public static class, and just name it block view holder, extend to which one, recycler view dot view holder, right? And just make it view and view. I need, as long as I need a view, and I need one public block view holder. This is the class name, the view item view to get that method. Yeah, super class, I need the super keyword to get that, and I want to make view to item view. Yeah, alright. Now let's go to this onStart method. So we need to complete this one. Okay, so we got this one now. Okay, okay, just get those string, right? So public void set title. Okay, just give that name and just declare any string. Okay, the title was my string name, right? Now just declare text view, post title is, then go to text view. Wait, this is text view, sorry, this is text view, and we declare our view method, the view to find view id dot id is like post title, right? Now this post title will set the text to that string name, this string name. The same thing, public void set dex string for dex. I need to declare the text view, and this is the post description into the text view, and we need to declare our view, and I need to initialize my post description ID and just set the text into my string name. The same thing we need to do for image also. Set image. Okay, for this one we need to create our container and our context. So just our context is just declare any. Okay, just take the context, name is the string name. Now what we are going to do is just declare an image view. Inside the image view, just declare that image view inside okay, this is the image view, your view, and the find view by ID is okay, this is the post image is my ID. Now you need to get the Picasso. Picasso is the library. I think this is the library for the Picasso. So this Picasso will compress all the image and it will get into that your image view. So the Picasso will get the image to your context and it will load the image into what? Into your ID. Yeah. Now this work is done. Now I need to get all these things into my onStart method. So you can just make it like, we know that our block view holder is the view holder dot set title. So okay, because our block is our class is what? Model. We declare classes model dot get title. That's it. Set description model dot get description and set description model get model. Okay, I need description is over. I need to get image, get the application context, and I need to initialize model and get the image. So I think we are done with this one. So we didn't attach our adapter, I'm sorry. So that right here, yeah, it finish right here, and we need to attach our set adapter, right? We need to attach our adapter. So guys, after adding this adapter, like in that block class, you need to declare the class. You need to declare the class, otherwise it will show some error. So make sure you should declare this one. And yeah, it's done. Let's run the application and let's see. So our application is run now. Yeah, it's taking some time for first time. Yeah, look at this. You can see my two databases here. So it's showing this first title is my first title, it's the description is my description. Let me show you, like if I change my description right here, for example, hi Apu, how are you? Look at this, just it will reflect to your database, in your Android app. Wait, it should reflect, yeah, maybe my internet is slow in my laptop, so it's this is real-time database. So for example, let me add one more. Like for example, maybe for tomorrow you can add one tips and tricks, one post. So what we're going to do, just post name is 99917 and the title is like how, for example, how to learn Android, and your description is please click on this link to open, okay, something, just make it. And you can put your image URL, or whether you can upload into that firebase storage and you just link with that one. And for now, okay, for now just let me upload from the Google, and like don't upload like HD quality, for example, not 4K or something, just upload like 720 so that it can load easily. And this is my image link. When you click on this, look at this, it automatically come, and this is real time. When you make this application, when you release the application, when if you want to change here in your database, it will reflect on the user mobile, in the application. So this is the what we are going to use for this news application, and this is the only, like, we are going to test this one. Then we'll make some beautiful, for example, we'll make one navigation drawer right here. We'll make the category everything, like Android tips, Mac tips, and iOS tips, anything like that one we'll discuss in the next video. And yeah, this is the something for this video. So I think you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching my video.